We're gonna get right into this Churches review, man. We got the Flamin' Honey Megabites from Churches, brand new. I've been waiting to get my hands on these, man, for a minute. Gave some barbecue sauce with them, but I ain't gonna really need it. They're Flamin' Honey Megabites from Churches, man. No biscuit. I'm sad about that. So let's try it. Flamin' Honey Megabites from Churches Chicken. Hot. Hot. I'm gonna burn my tongue. Got a good amount of honey on it, man. I love that honey though, man. Churches, I don't know what kind of honey they got. I don't know if they got like a special kind of honey they make, but they honey always on point. It's so sweet and it's so good, you know. Mm, mm. Okay, churches, your flaming honey megabites. Your boy's going to give these a 9.5. I'm gonna give these 9.5 out of 10, man. Pretty good, really good action, man. I don't really need no sauce neither, man. It's just, the honey and the flaming, the little honey. It's not really hot neither. On the scale of being hot, I say it's probably like a 3 for me. That's pretty weak. It's not hot at all, really. I don't know why they even call it hot, because it's not. I don't taste hot at all. Maybe it's like a hot glaze, maybe. Maybe like a hot honey glaze or some kind of glaze on it, but still good nonetheless. 9.5 out of 10. So, yeah. Anyway, comment, like, and subscribe, man. Keep watching these videos. Next time, guys. Peace.